Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Eren from Hair Center of Turkey Clinic. I work as a specialist in anesthesiology and reanimation. Today, I will answer a question we frequently encounter. Can obese patients undergo hair transplantation? I will be answering this question. I sincerely answer this question with a yes. Obesity, according to the World Health Organization, is when the body mass index is over 30. Frankly, it is one of the problems of our age and one of the reasons that will cause major issues in our future as well. Especially in people with obesity, cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, diabetes, and other hormonal disorders in the body can also be seen. If your body mass index is also over 30 and you are considering having a hair transplant procedure, please contact us. Especially do not forget to share with us the medications you are using and the treatments you are receiving. If your body mass index is over 30 and you are considering a hair transplant procedure, we can welcome you at our clinic, perform your surgery safely, and send you home with your new hair. If you have any questions about this topic, please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you.